training session. Just want to explain to you, before we train, make sure that you warm up, as I always says, and then just having a difficulty to explain, demonstrate power punches or kicks is without another person. Yeah, if he's another person, I can explain more in detail how to develop power, and then you can see the power developing when you're hitting the pad or kicking in the pad. So here it is difficult. Hopefully after this lockdown soon, hopefully finish, then we will be able to do in the classes all things. So make sure that you're practicing. And another quick tip, this is when I was doing my boxing all days, my teacher told me to always keep chin down. So he asked me to make any kind of, say example, this is a leather ball, but I use the tennis ball. Tennis ball, this is also leather, you can stay here. Make sure you chin down. The reason it's chin down is because you don't get knocked down punches. If you knock down, if you open, that's heavy punches. Now when you chin down, it still hurts, but still you'll be able to take it. So that's the reason the old boxing styles keep boxing chin down. Chin down and look down like this. This position is where you have jab, cross, uppercut, hook, anything from here. So that's your good way of practicing for keeping chin down. That's a quick tip for you. The next one, today we have 10 cones around, in the middle one, and surrounding 8 to 9 cones. So we have a quick pattern of drills, which is purpose of the drill for footwork is the purpose is to your training, speed, coordination and balance. And then sometime you go forward and retreat. Every time you move, you are taking advantage. That's the purpose. If you're going back, you're going side, forward. Every time you're thinking to score or not to get punched or kicked. So you're avoiding or you're advancing. For example, if I go forward, back, shift, and forward. And here, if I'm scoring here, and back, side, forward, back, side, forward, back. So here, so this is circling slowly, and then you can set up time 10 to 15 seconds. Every time you set up time, or somebody someone that you can ask them to whistle. Use the whistle. 10-15 seconds. When if 10 seconds round finish, then you ask them to whistle. Yeah, so here, forward, women can be thigh kick, back, shift, back. Example now. Now 10 seconds, and you can change any other drills. Example, that's a forward. So here, jab, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and you can change the direction here. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. See here, forward, back. You're really going back, and then get the balance, and then shift. Keep the guards up, keep the chin down, keep it up. At least 10 rounds or 15 rounds will be, you will feel the cardio. Picks up. Once I picked up, go to your pad work or bag works. Hope you get benefited this drill. The more you do, the more you become efficient, and then make sure that go slowly and speed up. That way you will get fast, strong, balance and speed. Hope you enjoy this drill. Okay guys, now everyone, what we're going to do, some of you next grading orange belt. So we have a drill. We're going to show that drill is jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, thigh kick. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, thigh kick. Okay, stance, boxing stance, or Thai boxing stance. Here, from here, jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, really, hook, again, jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, forward step, from here, lift, thigh kick, balance, change, and back again, push, hook, hook, knee, thigh kick, back. One more time. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, thigh kick. Now slight changes. We did this. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, thigh kick. We're going to do now. Jab, cross, hook, hook, thigh kick, and the knee. That's the changes. Thigh kick and the knee follows. Okay, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push. Also up. So that's the drill. Hope you pick it up. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you some of the couple of combination of punches and elbows, and also in our styles of combination, you know that Silat and Filipino martial art called Kali involved. Sometime I might do slap here. So this is when you do that, it's a slap. So if I say jab, cross, slap, elbow is connected to your back of the head, and it's very, looks very simple, but it's very effective. There's a heavy drop in the hand behind the back of the, there's lots of nerves here. It's like disorientated. One, you got that shock, and on this is elbow is a heavy artillery and it crash through. So before that, I'm going to go for some of the jab, cross, hook, uppercut. A couple of combinations, different combinations, and then use the elbow as well. So I'm going to start for the boxing stance. Make sure that shoulders up, guards up, clean. Make sure they're clean. What I mean is clean is stand properly, not wobbly, not unbalanced, not too much wider. As in good position is first. And there, example, you had to do this at least a 60-second round. 10 to 15, or even if you do 20 rounds, okay? So yeah, make sure that time setting up, once you understand the drill, set up the time for 60 seconds each drills. So example here, jab, cross, remember the guards, because you have protection here. Now uppercut, cross, and back. Okay. Jab, cross, uppercut, cross. Every time you just hit, hit, hit. Not to the target, throughout to the target, throughout, pass through the target. seconds. You do 60 seconds. Next one will be uppercut, cross, hook, cross. Uppercut, cross, hook, cross. Yeah. 60 seconds. Now come to elbow. Jab, cross, slap, elbow. Jab, cross, slap, elbow. Jab, cross, slap. 60 seconds. Next one will be girls. Uppercut, cross, elbow, elbow. Elbow to the face, to the side, and now it goes overhead. Could be head, could be cross this angle. Watch me. Jab, cross, elbow, downward elbow. Jab, cross, elbow, elbow. It's fluid, not stops. It's very close range here. As 4 drills or 3 drills, right? It's a 3 drills. So each do 60-second round, do 8 to 10 sets. Okay, alright guys. Okay, have you seen this one of this, anyone? This is called karambit. This is Indonesian, Malaysian, Filipino martial arts weapon, which is those days they used to defend with this. It's smaller but very effective because the way you move. I'm going to show you some quick movement, and the application I can't show because without another person I can't demonstrate it to you. But yes, when the time comes you will be able to see. These are for advanced students, actually it's for the adult, just to show you that. Okay guys, you follow me. For first is there's no like kata patterns, it's just a natural of movement, and every move you are the cutting or attacking, because with this every move you move. Without this, example, empty hand, the same thing, you move all this movement, and lots of breaks and lots of damages to elbows, headbutts, shoulders, everything, and move whole body using for your defending yourself. For example, here. Us.